You can actually write a review-worthy ebook in just 30 days, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Writing a review-worthy ebook is a crucial step for any aspiring author who wants to make an impact in the literary world. It's a great way to establish your authority, showcase your expertise, and leave a lasting impression on your readers. But the question is, how do you create an ebook that stands out from the crowd and leaves a lasting impact on your readers? One of the biggest challenges authors face is coming up with a unique idea that resonates with their target audience. Many writers struggle to find a topic that they're passionate about and that their audience will love. Others have a great idea, but don't know how to structure it in a way that's engaging and easy to follow. Then, there are those who get stuck in the writing process, unable to overcome the fear of failure or the fear of not being good enough. And finally, there are those who get to the editing stage only to realize that their work is riddled with errors and inconsistencies. Another common challenge authors face is the ability to write engagingly. Let's face it, writing an ebook is not the same as writing a blog post or a social media update. It requires a different level of depth, of nuance, and of storytelling. Many authors struggle to find their unique voice, to craft a narrative that's compelling, and to convey their message in a way that resonates with their audience. Despite these challenges, many authors have successfully written and published review-worthy ebooks. So, what's their secret? What sets them apart from those who struggle to create impactful content? The answer lies in their ability to plan, to focus, and to dedicate themselves to the task at hand. So, how do you write an ebook in 30 days? The first step is to select a topic that you're passionate about and that your audience will love. Take some time to brainstorm, to research, and to validate your idea. Once you have a topic, create an outline that's clear, concise, and easy to follow. Break down your outline into smaller chunks and assign a daily word count to each chunk. Then, start writing, and don't stop until you've reached your daily goal. As you write, remember to focus on your audience, on their needs, and on their pain points. Write in a way that's engaging, conversational, and relatable. Use storytelling techniques, anecdotes, and metaphors to convey your message. And most importantly, edit as you go to ensure that your work is error-free and polished. The key to writing a successful ebook is understanding your target audience. Who are they? What are their pain points? What are their goals and aspirations? What are their fears and doubts? Once you understand your audience, you can craft a message that resonates with them, that speaks to them, and that leaves a lasting impact on them. Understanding your target audience is not just about demographics, it's about psychographics. It's about understanding what makes them tick, what motivates them, and what inspires them. It's about understanding their values, their beliefs, and their attitudes. When you understand your audience at this level, you can create content that's tailored to their needs, that speaks to them in a way that's relatable, and that leaves a lasting impact. In conclusion, writing a review-worthy ebook in 30 days requires dedication, planning, and a deep understanding of your target audience. It requires you to focus on your message, to craft a narrative that's engaging, and to convey your message in a way that resonates with your audience. By following these steps, you can create an ebook that stands out from the crowd, that leaves a lasting impact on your readers, and that establishes you as an authority in your field. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have an ebook idea, or if you're facing a challenge in writing your ebook, please comment below, and I'll do my best to help. And if you want more writing tips and strategies, be sure to check out my other videos.